Good day. Reporting from the National Parliament here in Dili, where the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Dato Seri Anwar Ibrahim, has just arrived to attend the Sesong Solene, a special solemn session held in his honor. The Malaysian Prime Minister was warmly welcomed by parliamentary leaders and members of government, highlighting the importance of this visit in strengthening bilateral ties between Malaysia and Timor-Leste. The solemn session serves as a symbolic recognition of the close friendship and cooperation shared by both nations. Inside Parliament, the atmosphere was formal and historic, with speeches underscoring Malaysia's continued support for Timor-Leste's development and regional aspirations. This marks a significant moment in diplomatic relations, reflecting the growing partnerships in areas such as education, trade, and ASEAN integration, as well as strengthening other parts such as youth empowerment, digitalization, renewable energy, capacity building, and many more. Just to highlight the Prime Minister's speech today, he stated that the National Parliament of Timor-Leste played a pivotal role for the accession of Timor-Leste into ASEAN. He is surprised by the cooperation and understanding between both Timor-Leste's parliament and government, despite the confrontations, but with the same vision for the development of Timor-Leste, and how Malaysia comes as a comrade to share aspirations and as well as share ideas, and also to continue to support Timor-Leste to ensure that both nations can prosper. From here at the National Parliament in Dili, I'm Digna reporting for TATOLI.
Acompaña notícia atual no credível. Cataluha like, subscribe, no share. Website www.tatoli.tl. Página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.